received the fan mail, but there was no response when inserting the SIM card into the iPhone 13 Pro. Moreover, the phone is still under warranty. It has not expired and there is nationwide warranty. Yet they still sent it to me for repair. How generous. Why didn't they just go to the after-sales service and replace the motherboard for free? When the phone was opened, there were many fingerprints inside. It turns out that it had been repaired by someone before. The fan said it would take 1 to 2 months to replace the motherboard at the after-sales service. And it wouldn't cost any money. Due to the long wait time, I decided to have it repaired locally instead. Unexpectedly, the shop owner fixed it in just half a month. Surprisingly, it still hasn't been repaired. While scrolling through short videos, I accidentally saw it. So they directly took the phone back and sent it to me. We immediately cleaned the motherboard layer by layer. Let's see what the situation is. Why hasn't it been fixed after half a month? The fans are also very angry. After half an hour of measurement, we identified the problem. We connected the broken wire with a thin copper wire. After connecting it, let's observe the motherboard again. The motherboard has many damaged spots from the fall. The previous customer's work has also been completely taken care of. I have to say that the previous master also worked quite hard, saving me from having to handle so many wires. We will perform a completely new direct suction on the motherboard. Then wipe off any excess paste. Remove the straight line network. Remove the motherboard, heat it with a hot air gun, and inflate it like a balloon. Then place it back on the heating platform. Position the motherboard properly, and wait for the temperature to rise. After the motherboard is automatically attached, we can proceed with the installation. After all the external accessories are properly connected, we will perform a power-on test. After inserting the SIM card, the signal has successfully appeared. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.